5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crud. I want to do data, text to columns, delimited by a comma. Whoops. Is left until increased out of the 4. You can model each fish as a single number that represents the number of days until increasing a land of fish. Or you resent a new land of fish usually needs slightly longer before it's capable of producing more land of fish. 2 more days for this first cycle. Suppose you have a land of fish with an interval time of 3. After 1 day, its interval time will become 2, then 1, then 0, then it will reset to 6. Why? What? Ah. I understand. Okay. Each day a 0 becomes a 6 and adds a new 8 to the end of the list, while each other number decreases by 1. After 80 days, okay. Paste transposed. Now I'm going to sort the list. How many do we start off with? Sort smallest to largest. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we, whoops, and then there are, whoops, 0, and then there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and then so that's the initial state, so it's after 1 day. Let's tint this slightly brighter. Okay, so we're going to say equals. Do we bring this down all the way there and here? This is equal to that plus this. after 80 days will bring us to 82. 346063. Okay. $256. Oh, crud. I should have checked. Gotta wait 28 seconds. Oh my gosh. If I lose... I've got to wait at the exact 8-minute mark for this. I can't believe I have to wait until the 8-minute mark. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm done. Rank 149. Well, that was fast.